Seng. So today we introduce for the AutoCount POS System set. So it's included the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, the thermal printer for print the receipt, the scanner, the mouse, and the cash drawer. So let's say today you are doing the fresh mart business and then you got the item to weight. So click on the item code, just weight it. Then it shows the item name and the weight. After that, just print the barcode sticker. So put on the item and scan it. So in the monitor will show that the item, the weight and the price. Let's say the customer pay by cash. Say I pay for RM1. Click OK. Then automatically the cash drawer will open and give the money to the customer and you print on the receipt. And the price display also will show the change. If you don't want the CPU set, you can go for the touchscreen device. If you have more inquiry, please look for us. Thank you.
Cari POS System, cari Seng.
Find Genius Phone, find Seng. 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 POS System, Seng.